Hi, I'm Carter and I'll be talking about space. When two black holes collide, they get bigger and they make one Utah, and that is lots of energy. This also makes black holes that could be bigger than our sun. There is one black hole called the Phoenix A. It has a 1 billion more mass than our sun. That means it could suck up our planets easily. Next, I'll be talking about gamma rays. Gamma rays is made when an excited atomic nucleus decays and it releases 100,000 eV. But this is really scary because it could hit Earth, but it's not visible to the naked eye, so nobody would know, and it could wipe out Earth. I will be talking about stars. We all know the sun is not a planet, but it's a star. But there is also other stars. But before we get to the others, we should talk about when a star dies. When a star dies, it makes a supernova that makes black holes or neutron stars. Now we talk about other stars that are bigger than our sun, and the biggest being 2,500 times our sun. This is called the Stephenson. This is or might be the biggest. The stars is not always the same, is not always a star. The star can get big and it turns to a red giant that is way more bigger than our sun. Next, I would like to talk about different galaxies. There are so many galaxies. We live in the Milky Way. That's our home galaxy. But there are bigger ones than us. And the scary part is they can collide into one another. It can mess up orbit. With this, it's just scary thinking about how we did not even see 1% of it. This is because human eyes can't see space that far. Number 5, the void. The void is a spot in our universe that has nothing, no galaxies or planets. This is just a spot in the universe that has nothing. The biggest spot is called KBC Void. It has a void size of 2 billion light years. There are different planets like Earth and Mars, but there is a planet that was too small. We call it a dwarf planet, and its name is Pluto. This is an ice planet that's not the only planet. Did you know there is a different Earth called Kepler 186f? That is just like Earth. We don't know if it has water or drinkable water. But let's talk about the planet with 95 moons, Jupiter. This is a gas planet with 95 moons. That's crazy. Just to know, but don't let the soft look fool you. This planet is so deadly, if you land on it, you are dead. The reason for this is that the planet is toxic to humans, and it has so much pressure that it could crush a human with ease. So if we ever wanted to study the planet Jupiter, the radiation would kill us before we even land. And if you somehow get in, you would be crushed by the high pressure that Jupiter has. Some ways you would die in space. One way is that you could try to breathe up there if you are dumb, and you don't have a spacesuit. Next, you could die from freezing to death. You can also die from trying to drink water. If you're not careful, the water will stick onto your face and it can drown you. Thank you for listening to my podcast.